road.
Yeah, that's right. Ready?
Are we ready for a road trip?
So you want McDougal's, yeah?
Take this away from you.
You two are so boring. I'm trying to get some excitement going on.
Listen to you. I'm
just
gonna get
enough.
fucking paddled today. Oh, I know what coming here.
Didn't have to eat one of them burgers.
Oh, right.
Yeah, because
Jesus.
the burgers look disgusting.
I'm actually not eating today, just so I can completely get out of my system. Yeah.
This is the part of the trips I love. Hitting the road, driving down a strip of palm trees.
Yeah.
You know.
A little bit of tunes playing.
Yeah. I love this shit right now. And that's it! Sorry, the excitement got you much then.
Off to Mackey's at the beginning of our road trip.
Yes!
There's gold notches.
There she is.
Did you sleep at all then?
I slept a couple hours.
When did you fall asleep?
Don't know.
I think I heard you snoring at one point.
I think it's funny that that guy basically cocooned himself.
Yeah.
So
I did that.
guy-
I did the same thing.
This guy
I had it
was
all
just-
over my face.
Totally wrapped up like a little cigar.
Cigar. Like a Cuban cigar.
Like a Cuban cigar.
Yeah, so keep your eyes peeled for the Vegas one, yeah?
What does it look like?
Brilliant. Very sharp.
Hey, not bad for like 1.5 hours sleep or
That's
whatever
it.
we got.
Yeah, keep you around. Stay up front.
Oh, can't swear, sorry. Sorry, Nan.
I think it's up there, isn't it? You wouldn't have it any other way, you would.
Pink elephant.
Yeah.
It's right there. You see it? See it?
Did you hear something, Daryl?
You see it?
What?
What the heck is that?
What am I looking at?
What is that? People asking for pictures.
Oh, we've got some showgirls as well. I wonder how ugly these ones are going to be.
So we're now walking up to Vegas sign.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, you got your little thing again. Is that the one that you bought up in England?
You know what? We're still in Vegas, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Don't you cry! Rockabye!
Getting singing in now before I go.
Exactly, yeah, got to serenade the camera. Shoo-bop, shoo-bop-a-da-boo-up.
Yeah. Hey!
What I don't understand is you see all those
Straight in.
people like driving around with their windows down. You seen them? Are you counting the people that have their windows down in this heat?
No? Should we count?
Go for it.
Sounds
There's
fun.
another thing that we need to count as well.
What?
And this is a proper game.
There's-
How many people do you see wearing socks and sandals?
Oh, there's loads in BC.
Yeah, honestly, let's. I think we should act.
Birkenstocks is like the standard.
Yeah, I reckon we should start counting.
Alright.
It's a game now. Anytime you see it, you have to say whatever the next number in line is.
We're doing the socks and sandals game. So we're gonna count and see who's the first one.
First one to wear
Yeah,
socks
because
and
otherwise
sandals.
it's not a game, is it? If you're just going, oh, he's got socks
We
and
just
sandals
count.
on.
It's just fun to do, isn't it? Picking
Yeah,
on
we
the
need some
public.
competition. And apparently seeing how many people have their windows open. He had one.
There we go.
Or she.
In the desert.
In the desert. Smack bang in the desert. What are we? 93 Fahrenheit. Damn it.
Smile.
Mustang!
Sally.
Has he got his window open? Is he wearing
He has!
socks and sandals?
I've
He's got his
looks like
window
the type-
open.
I bet he is.
He's the type, and
Right,
you can
they've
tell.
both got hats on. We'll look out for you, Mr.
You
Mustang.
know it.
They've both got hats on. Yeah, I think you've singled
Yeah,
out the
because-
only people with hats on here.
Can you get $10 out of that for me?
Ah,
Oh, only her.
have a good day, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
She's not heard that one before, Eric.
What did she? What?
No animals in the vehicle.
Eric, you.
You only just clicked into that.
I thought you said.
Only
How
her.
many of you were in the car?
But we're all
And you
animals.
said
She
only
said
her.
no animals in the vehicle, and I went only her.
She didn't find it funny.
She smiled a little bit.
She didn't.
And then said $10.
We're all animals.
Such
anyway,
an idiot.
By Mr. Mustafa.
That's Dad's favourite character. You know what that is?
Has he watched Team America World Police?
No, it's on Cats. Mr. Mistopheles.
Has he
Yes, I
watched-
have. It's the most horrible film ever.
It's not the horriblest film ever. It's the bestest film
Anyone
ever.
want some honey roasted peanuts?
I'll have a honey roasted nut.
Get some nuts!
Get some nuts. Stick her on your head then. What are you doing? You've got the hat.
Can't have to go backwards. Don't like wearing this one backwards.
Oh my goodness me.
Yeah.
You're so fussy. It's baby Eric. You look like you're in Limp Bizkit now.
Sick.
Oh, I was on that rock and roller
Oh,
coaster.
that's clever. Yeah, he was listening to Rollin'.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep rolling.
Man, I got bad deja vu.
You look like you're going into the mines.
Quite good, actually.
Look straight ahead.
Don't record. Emma just weed a little bit.
Do it yourself!
That was so
Where's
worth
this
it.
from? Where is this from? Hat cam.
Why don't we just use a monopod?
I don't know what that is. Are you still alive? No. Stop whinging.
Tommy inside
No whinging.
Tommy inside is dead right now.
No whinging.
Forever.
Part of you inside is always
Yeah.
dead.
That part of me is now
calories.
is now inside me that went on the ice.
Back in the day. Nothing. The base.
You fix that? No, you fix that. Yeah, a bit.
Buttery biscuit.
Buttery biscuit.
We're in Popeyes. We've got the biggest drink ever in the world. Darryl, put it next to your head. Size of that. Is it good?
And the drink.
Got some good chicken?
It's alright.
It's so hot, I've wimped out. Went and took a picture of the scenic view and a few clips, and I've come back in because it's so hot. I don't even know. Oh, look at it. My goodness me. We're definitely in the desert. I suppose I should go do a selfie with him. Mountain siding up there. Green.
Oh, the one that's the faded side?
I thought you were putting up one of the screw, like that was like a little sign that I couldn't read, and I was like, does she mean that one?
The enthusiasm was great. The one with the faded sign, she's like, yeah, it's good. You know he's at that point, like, it's gonna be shit again.
Oh, look at that, man, it's got party out front.
Oh, look at this place, it's brilliant.
That's gorgeous. You get one key.
Yeah.
Did you get that on camera?
Yeah, I did.
I just fell through the door.
I think you need to lie down as well.
Touch the card indicated and not place after the blue line to the handle. That's a new red line. It's only 118, isn't it?
Not 811.
Is there an 800?
No, because he did the 8 last.
I was just
I
really.
was gonna say, no, because I looked at that and thought there's no way 811 things.
What? Wrote the wrong bloody number on the key. Oh. I'm not booking anything ever again. Yeah.
But what's wrong with this? What would you rather, this or what we did last time?
I'd rather that they were true to picture.
Nothing's true as pictures. You don't believe those pictures. Yeah, I was like, oh, they might. He's like, oh, they're going to do it right. And I just looked at the other chest and it's 118, right? He went 119. And I went, this says 118. He says, oh, does it? Oh, I thought I wrote 119. It's 119.
Time is 6:30. We're now going to the Grand Canyon
You have to be at there.
to see if we can see it like at sunset. We're probably gonna miss it.
Well, that's the mission. Tomorrow, still on the lookout for socks and sandals.
Yeah, that's both just
Yeah.
ABCD stretching.
Yeah. Stay alert, stay alive. Yeah. Yeah. Very important.
Thank you for staying.
Oh, that Dorito tasted like soap. So apparently we're on the historic Route 66.
I like the fact that historic bit behind it.
Uh-huh.
In front of it, sorry.
That's what people say.
Take it away. Take it away, Emma. You suck. Fucking singing lessons suck. Okay, I'm gonna come in and rescue it. Ready now? I can sing high like this. Why are you breaking? There's nothing in front of you.
You don't know about me.
Amazing voice.
Yes.
Okay, we're not too late. Not too late. We've just gone past. We thought it was 25 miles, and then saw this and was like, I said a few choice words. This is incredible. Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness me. Wow.
This is cool.
You can't even tell on here. Like, I think it's only. Oh, it's so There's not even like a barrier. Wow. Wow. We found another viewpoint. Ah. You can't see anything. But this. Whoa, what should we walk in? Yeah, it must be. Eric, there's steps here.
Bloody hell.
I did just say what should we walk?